In this video, we'll show you how to install replacement tines on model 27022 and 2500600G. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required: you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an 8mm wrench. Let's get started. Over time with use, you may notice the Dethatcher tines have become worn or broken. For best performance, replace the individual tines as necessary. Turn the Dethatcher over to expose the tines. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws and washers securing the cartridge that you want to remove. Release the locking tab on the edge of the cartridge with a fine flathead screwdriver to separate the tine casing from the cylinder shaft. Take note of the direction of the tine. It must be installed in the same direction. Pull the cartridge out. Using a screwdriver, push out the pin holding the tine. Remove and discard the worn tine. Push the tine into position and slide the pin back into place. Ensure that it is properly seated. Reinstall the cartridge. Make sure the locking tab is engaged. Insert the 2 screws and washers and tighten them until secure with the 8mm wrench. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your Dethatcher, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS Dethatcher will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.